Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Mad Hatter costume is probably one of the most whimsical and iconic outfits you can choose for any costume party, cosplay event, or even a theatrical performance, instantly transforming you into the eccentric and beloved character from Alice in Wonderland with its distinctive top hat, vibrant colors, and quirky accessories that capture the essence of pure, unadulterated fun and imaginative flair, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to make a memorable entrance and embrace a spirit of playful absurdity. Number 5. California Costumes Dark Mad Hatter Costume. Step into a world of whimsical madness with this iconic costume. Perfect for your next Halloween party or costume event. This ensemble captures the essence of the enigmatic Mad Hatter. Its detailed design will make you the talk of any gathering. Crafted for comfort and style, this costume offers a unique blend of dark charm and playful eccentricity. You'll be ready for any adventure. Designed to fit comfortably, this medium-sized costume ensures you look the part without sacrificing ease of movement. Make a memorable entrance. Looking for a standout Halloween outfit? This dark Mad Hatter costume is a fantastic choice for those who dare to be different. Get ready to impress. Experience the quality craftsmanship of California costumes. Every detail is considered to bring this character to life. What we like? This option offers a full ensemble right out of the box. It includes everything you need for a cohesive look. If you're looking for the most convenient and comprehensive Mad Hatter experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The jacket is surprisingly good quality and even has shoulder pads to give it shape. The hat bounced back to its original size, which fits snug. Great design on the buttons and sleeves with checked patterns and swirls. Number 4. Mad Hatter Costume Hat for Adults. Unleash your inner Mad Hatter with this iconic costume hat. Perfect for parties and events, it's designed to make a statement. Crafted from soft, high-quality velvet fabric, this hat offers a touch of luxury. It feels as good as it looks, adding to its overall appeal. Designed for comfort, it features an adjustable fit to ensure it stays securely in place. You can wear it all day without any hassle. Elevate any costume or themed party with this unique accessory. It's the ideal way to complete your whimsical look and stand out from the crowd. More than just a hat, it's a gateway to imaginative play and unforgettable moments. Get ready to embrace the magic and fun. What we like? Experience the luxurious feel of its premium velvet fabric. The adjustable fit ensures comfort for various head sizes. If you prioritize quality materials and a perfect fit for your Mad Hatter hat, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The hat is well made and looks exactly like the picture. The costume includes all the accessories shown, making it a complete set. The fabric is comfortable and breathable, suitable for extended wear. Number 3. Nicky Big's Novelties Clown Hat Headband. Looking for a fun and quirky accessory? This checkered hat headband is perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to any outfit. This mini top hat is designed for adults who love to have a good time. It's a fantastic choice for parties or just a playful day out. Get ready for Crazy Hat Day with this unique and eye-catching accessory. It's sure to be a conversation starter wherever you go. The classic black and white checkered pattern makes this a stylish yet fun choice. It's a great way to stand out from the crowd. This novelty item is designed for adults seeking a bit of playful flair. It's an ideal accessory for themed events or costume parties. From Nicky Big's Novelties, this headband offers a comfortable fit and a durable design. Enjoy a touch of playful fashion with this unique piece. What we like? This mini top hat brings a fun, quirky twist to the Mad Hatter theme. Its checkered pattern is eye-catching and playful. If you're aiming for a more subtle or whimsical take, or need an easy-to-wear accessory for a themed party, this is a great pick. What people say. I love these headband-style hats for Halloween costumes. They stay on easier and you can still do your hair and not worry about a hat messing up your hair or falling off all night. It was easy to wear, and the size and shape were cute. It was great quality and went very well with my costume. I wore it to a Mad Hatter, Alice in Wonderland brunch. I have a smaller head but the headband and hat stayed on perfectly for the whole party. This black and white hat is very cute. Cute and lightweight. The hat is more like a stuffy on top of a thin and uncomfortable headband. Needed for a tea party, so worked for a short amount of time, but it was awkward and kept falling to the side. Number 2. Disney Mad Hatter Top Hat. Unleash your inner Hatter with this iconic top hat. It's the perfect accessory for any magical adventure. This officially licensed hat brings the magic of Disney right to you. Experience the quality and detail of a true collectible. No need to worry about size. This hat is designed to be adjustable, ensuring a comfortable fit for everyone. Adorned with a striking peacock feather, this hat adds a touch of whimsical elegance. It's a statement piece that truly stands out. A luxurious satin scarf is elegantly wrapped around the base, adding an extra layer of charm and sophistication. Whether for a costume party or just for fun, this hat is sure to become a beloved addition to your collection. Get ready to turn heads. What we like? Embrace the magic with this officially licensed Disney version. It features an iconic peacock feather and elegant satin scarf. If you're a fan of Disney's interpretation and want an authentic, stylish accessory, this hat is perfect for you. What people say. The hat itself is very well made and looks authentic. The details on the jacket are surprisingly intricate for a costume. The accessories included really complete the look, especially the bow tie. Number 1. Fun Costumes Mad Hatter Kit. Step into a world of whimsy with our Mad Hatter Kit. It's the perfect way to bring a touch of Wonderland to any occasion. This kit includes everything you need to embody the iconic character. Get ready to host the most unforgettable tea party. Whether it's a costume party, Halloween, or just for fun, this ensemble is sure to make a statement. Stand out from the crowd with this unique look. Crafted with attention to detail, this kit offers both style and comfort. You can wear it all day without any hassle. Transforming into the Mad Hatter has never been easier. Simply put it on and you're ready for adventure. Embrace the delightful chaos of the Mad Hatter. This kit is your ticket to a truly magical experience. What we like? This kit provides the essential accessories to build your own Mad Hatter look. It offers flexibility to mix and match with your existing wardrobe. If you enjoy customizing your costume or are looking for a budget-friendly way to achieve the Mad Hatter vibe, this kit is ideal. What people say. The quality of this Mad Hatter hat is very good. The hat stands up and stays up, not floppy at all. The white hair attached to the rim really adds a whimsical touch. The hat also comes with a blue bow tie and collar. Both hat and collar are Velcro adjustable. Hat fit both adults and household. Guy has a large head, though would probably be too big for small child. It arrived flat and had a deep fold in it when I took it out of the package, so I stuffed it, with plastic grocery store bags, for the week or so until we needed it and it regained its shape. It has a tab with elastic and Velcro to help you get the perfect fit. The collar-tie combo also is adjustable, but it was a little snug on my husband, who wears an 18 neck in dress shirts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.